This Secura automatic coffee grinder is equipped with a Burr grinding mechanism. Avoids overheating, grinds uniformly, and preserves the natural aroma of your coffee beans. Removable design for easy cleaning. Conical Burr grinder with 18 grind sizes ranging from coarse to ultra fine. Perfect for espresso, French press, drip, cold brew, pour over coffee maker, and more. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Large capacity. See-through bean container holds up to 8 ounces of coffee beans, and the ground coffee container holds 5 ounces of ground coffee. Number 2. One-button operation. Simply press the button and start to grind. Also, shut off automatically when completing the grinding process. Number 3. 1 to 10 cup selector. Quantity control dial from 1 to 10 cups. Allows you to grind the exact amount you need. Number 4. Burr Grinding System. Commercial-grade conical burr grinder blades retain the maximum natural flavor of your coffee beans. Number 5. Easy cleaning. Removable conical burr and coffee bean container make your cleaning easy work. Number 6. High quality. The Secura electric Burr coffee grinder mill is made to outlast. ETL approved, only for use with North American electrical standards. 120 volts, 110 watt motor, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.